Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing aloo bhindi curry. It's actually very delicious and you can try it home. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and please share with your friends and family. So let's start the process. So add little oil first. First I will do shallow fry potatoes. A little salt, after shallow fry, keep aside, turn off the flame, nicely cooked. Now add oil, 4 tablespoons. After heat the oil, add cumin seeds, add mustard seeds, add curry leaves, add 1 onion, chopped onion, add salt, add turmeric. Onion is slightly turned into red color, so I am adding tomatoes, 1 cup. Add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Mix well. Let it fry. Tomato is nicely fried. Oil is overflowing. Now I am adding frozen okra, bhindi, add 1 cup frozen or fresh bhindi, cook in medium flame. Cover the lid for 5 minutes. Check every 5 minutes. Okra is not cooked. Let it cook for 5 more minutes. Okra is nicely cooked. Let's add potatoes. Mix it slowly. Let it cook 5 more minutes. Oil is overflowing, you can see. Curry is nicely cooked. Add coriander. Bhindi potato fry is ready. You can serve with the rice or roti. It's a good combination with the roti. If you like my video, please do like my video and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to share with your friends and family. Enjoy my video. Until then, see you. Bye.